Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue when attempting to repair hard drive files on your computer where it appears to be stuck. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I want to point out is that a lot of times you just have to be patient. Give it some time to finish running. Even though it might look like it's stuck or frozen, it's likely still working in the background. So just keep that in mind. Again, just because one video tutorial you might be watching, they might have very good hardware. Your hardware might not be as capable, and thus it'll take longer to repair. You may have a larger hard drive as well, so just keep that in mind. So if you're still having a problem, we can open up the search menu and type in File Explorer. Best match, should come back with File Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. Select this PC on the left panel, and then right-click on your drive where Windows is installed. It should be indicated by a little Windows icon above the hard drive. And select where it says Properties. Now you want to select the Tools tab, and underneath Error Checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Select Check. Go ahead and select Scan Drive, and give it some time to run here. And if you are able to see anything or find anything, that's great. If not, go ahead and select OK, close out of here, and open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say Command Prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of the video. First one is a DISM scan. So I want you guys to copy that from the description of my video. So again, it starts with DISM, and go ahead and copy that. And then you can either just tap Control V on your keyboard to paste it into the command prompt here, or you can right click on the top bar, select Edit, and then paste that in that way, and then hit Enter. And give us a couple minutes to run. And once that is concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command. This is the System File Checker utility. Okay, so you can see that Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.